This is Parasha Yitro. Parasha Yitro is a very special parasha for the Israel. It's Parasha Matan Torah. It's very interesting that Parasha Matan Torah is not called Parasha Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe Rabbeinu is very humble. He made himself available to learn Torah, to absorb Torah. But nevertheless, the parasha is Parasha Yitro. Why is it Yitro? Imagine you thought about the halacha for, let's say, for 3-4 years, you taught halacha one way. And they tell you it's wrong, it's a mistake. You cannot accept that. You say, what? I learned it, I did it. Or if you did it more, 10 years, 15 years, it's more. Or somebody in the lifetime, 50 years did something. Then it's very hard for you to change. It's very hard for you to accept that was wrong. We see it, we see it, mamush. People have some type of attitude to something. We use all our force to justify what we have. We don't want to change. Even if it means to say day is night, night is day, we are ready to do that, not to change. Because that is part of us. We feel comfortable, we got used to it. It's our life, so our existence. Now, here, Yitro, not only he believed in that, he preached for many, many years. If you preach, then you are worse position because you want to protect yourself. You can't get up and say, everybody, please listen. It was a mistake. It's a mistake. Whatever that I told you was a mistake. But Yitro was able to do that. This is Matan Torah. This is Kabbalah Torah. Kabbalah Torah means to be ready to accept emet, no matter what you are, no matter what the situation is, no matter what went through your life. You worked for it for the rest of your life. But somebody was dashing all of the etin Torah, made lifetime to make to the Rasha. He got to Et Hashem Yichatira. He says, what could you marbe? I could be marbe. I cannot increase. I cannot add anything. Et Hashem Yichatira in Pasuk. All of the things that he learned, this is in a way. It's not right. He dropped. That's truth. Emet. Now the Maharal says, Emet, the letters are Aleph, Mem, Tav. Aleph is the first letter, Mem, middle, Tav at the end. No matter where are you in your life, you got to confront Emet, truth. The better you are when you confront the truth earlier. Because the trip of life is the truth. No, it depends. If you find out the truth in Olam Hazeh, you could do something about it. If you find truth in Olam Haba, then the person cannot do anything. And that's Gehinnom. The person finds out the real truth and he realizes that he didn't pay attention to it, he didn't understand it properly, he didn't behave it, he didn't act up. That is the Gehinnom. Now, that's one point of Kabbalah Torah. But another point of Kabbalah Torah that Yitro says Moshe Rabbeinu is teaching the Am, and everybody is getting tired. He says Moshe Rabbeinu, in other words, everybody is waiting for you to come to you. You're going to wear out. You cannot do that. You cannot do that by yourself. If now listen to me, what you do, it makes this jury system. Other people help you. And they told him, if you do that, you're going to stand. If not, you cannot stand. Very straight to Moshe Rabbeinu. Moshe Rabbeinu says, okay. He created the Sarei Alafim, Sarei Meot, different chiefs to deal with people. Now, in Sefer Devarim, if you notice, when Moshe Rabbeinu told Kahal Israel that I want to do Sarim, chiefs to take care of you. Moshe Rabbeinu admonishes them, tells them, when I told you that I want to do that, what did you say? You answered, it's good, let's do it. And Moshe Rabbeinu is admonishing Kahal Israel, saying, rebuking them. What's the rebuke Rashi says? You cut it for your own benefit. You should have said, Moshe, who should we learn from? Oh, Mimecha, not Mimecha, or Mitalmidecha, from you or Mitalmid. No, what's the advantage of Moshe Rabbeinu? One would think the advantage of Moshe Rabbeinu is that he learned the straight from Hashem. But Chazal don't say that. Chazal say the advantage of Moshe Rabbeinu was that Nistar Aleha, he toiled in Torah, he worked hard in Torah, he had sa'ar in Torah, bothered him to understand, to get it. However, from here you learn out. If you have a Chevru Ta'akodesh Baruch Hu, or you toil and you work hard in Torah, which you want, you're gonna acquire more Torah when you are working hard in Torah. Moshe Rabbeinu says, my advantage is not that I got directly from HaKadosh Baruch Hu. My advantage is that I toiled in Torah, I worked hard in Torah. Now, the question is that it's very good. Moshe Rabbeinu says to them, rebuke them. Now, this is a contradiction. In the Parashat Yitro testifies that if you don't listen to me, novelty, you're going to wear out. You cannot do that. You cannot stand up. In Parashat Devarim, Moshe Rabbeinu comes and rebukes Kahal. He says, why did you accept? They had to accept because there wasn't any other way. What are you rebuking them for? You said, Amot Amot, if you don't do that, you can't stand. You were out. You were out. No, it sounds like a contradiction, but the truth of the matter is, what is the same? Shtabenu is telling Kahal Israel, yes, Yitro told you, and in reality, in physics, Shabu, on paper, it was very hard. It's an impossible task. But if you would have asked that Moshe Rabbeinu, we want to learn from you, we want higher level of Torah. We are not satisfied with Torah, which is the lower level. We want the higher level. Then HaKadosh Baruch Hu would have given us power to do it. Hashem would create facilities for us to do, to bring it about. You didn't ask for it. You didn't get it. Very simple formula in life. Yes, on paper, things looks impossible. It looks that I can't do it. It's impossible. But if you beg HaKadosh Baruch Hu, if you say, Hashem, I want it, and you really mean it, then Hashem creates facilities. That's why Moshe Rabbeinu is rebuking them. You settle down so low. Why do you do that to yourself? Why do you do that to yourself? Don't settle down so low. Have ambition, have the greatest that you could. You would learn from me was much greater, impacting you, your children. Torah for Dorot would have been a different Torah. The fact that you didn't ask, there's no power. Yes, Yitro then is right. But Yitro said, you should say, no, we beg HaKadosh Baruch Hu, we want. That's the rebuke. This is Parashat Matan Torah. Parashat Matan Torah is that Torah goes with begging Hashem, asking Him. Then impossible becomes possible. Hashem creates facilities, power, koach, energy that the person should be able to carry. That's why this parasha, in the beginning of the parasha, is explaining to that what's the introduction on receiving